Bekubove endleleni zonke zelizwe lekhethu njengoba namalunga wehlanganisela yamayuniyoni iCOSATU bekathagalela ukuhlogeka kwemisebenzi ihlangana nokhunye.
To their surprise, the people that they were checking outside started shooting them from different angles. Looks like this angle from this side, from east, and from the other side.
Uqalise inyawo ePumalanga Kapa uCommissioner wamapholisa uGeneral Fani Masemola ngemva kwesehlakalo sokudunyuzwa kwabanye eGodu abantu abasithandathu. Endaweni ngendawo lapho ukhona kuyakulotshisa begodu ngiyakwamukela endabeni zesidebele ku-SABC1 nginguCedric Mwebya lotshane emakhaya. uCommissioner wamapholisa uGeneral Fani Masemola usePumalanga Kapa okulandela isinye godi sehlakalo sokudunyuzwa kwabantu abasithandathu endaweni yegodini. Abantu ababe baluse umphakathi badunyuzwe babulawa kwathi abane balimala isehlakalo segodini siza ngemva kwesinye ezenzeke elisukisiki ePumalanga Kapa ngeveke epheleleko.
Isehlakalo esishiba ngamaHluwesi senzeke ngaphakathi kwejarda yesikole iLugungozo Secondary School. Abantu abadunyuzwe kokuthiwa batsho sicheme besibekile ihle emphakathini ekulusaneni nobulelesi. Akaziwa unobangela walokhu bekube nje. Kodwa amapholisa athasaraga nephenyo. Athabenzi balokho babantu abazwaka emphakathini.
The reason why they haven't started patrolling, apparently they were waiting for another group of people. But then to their surprise, the people that they were checking outside started shooting them from different angles. Looks like this angle from this side, from east, and from the other side. And that's where 6 people five were fatally wounded at the scene, and 1 died later at the hospital. 4 were injured, and 6 survived the shooting. There are positive leads, and we are looking at plus minus 6 suspects. 3 of them we can confirm looks like they are local people here, and some we don't know. They might be coming not very far, but the next door municipality.
Akunamrobotshiweko bekube nje kodwa nabemapholiseni bathi basenthendeni zenilelesi.
Isehlakalo esisenze kanje akukomi namathenga emlonyeni isikhulume ngebanga amahlwa yokuhayela kwabantu abali-18 engobozane lusukisiki. Izakhamuzi endawo le nendawo eziseduze zisilingeke ziqeda ichukela ngemva kokutshelwa bona abasola abathathu besehlakalwesi bengakahlelwa bona bavele ekhotho namhlanje. Lokhu kuza ngemva ngoba nawo uMagistrate azitshele bona akunabasola abathathu abahlotshaniswa nesehlakalo sokuhayela kwabantu esenzeke engobozane ekuhlele bona bazokuvela phambi kaMagistrate. Isimemezelo sokubana abasola bazokuvela ekhotho senziwe ngungqongqoshe wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu nabekubanjwe ikonzo yesikhumbuzo sabo ngazimbizolo ngobozana.
This comes as a very disappointment to us because we heard this from the minister that there will be 3 people that have been arrested that will be appearing in court today.
Yalahleka into nayisenza kanje ngoba into igcina kuthiwa nansi. Nase ifike lapha ibuyilahla ngoba ngoku uyayibona njengoba bekuthiwana ukuthi phezolo bazovela namhlanje safuna ukubabona. Ngoku uyabona ngona kuthiwa ngoku abakaphandwa kwathini kuthiwa ityala sobese lixelela basaveli kodwa amaxesha besiwane kwababa abasaveli futhi namhlanje ukulahleka kwayo lento.
Bekuzele nganabususo benyawo ekhotho bonke abantu bafuna ukubona abasolwa ngamehlo abongazimbi bazongcwatshwa ngempela veke.
Ihlanganisela yamayuniyoni iCOSATU ithwaye ilanga lanamhlanje lemsebenzi eyazisako iWorld Day for Decent Work ngokubamba imithakalo elizweni lonke ngobujamo bezomnotho. Balila ngokuhlogeka kwemisebenzi kunye nezinga eliphezulu lokuphila. Ake siqale emfundeni ngokuhlukahlukana kwazo bona kukhambe njani.
eMpumalanga eKomartiport iCOSATU ilwela ukuthi kucede ukucatshazwa kwabasebenzi bemaplasini. Kuthiwa abasebenzi bemaplasini baphathwa kumbi, bathloriswe, kuphulwa amalungelo wabo. uGerald Thwala weCOSATU uthi abasebenzi abaningi emaplasini abamachileko bathloriswa kakhulu ngombana bamaphandle.
That is still treating and exploiting workers. Workers are not being paid the national minimum wage. Workers are not allowed to go on sick leave even if they produce a sick note. They are not being paid for those days. There is child labor here. And it's our call that the Department of Employment and Labor must visit this farm.
Unobhala wekhosati KwaZulu-Natal Edwin Mkhize uphakamise bona abasebenzi babumbane bagandelela uhulumende webumbano ukuthi avikele amalungelo abo. Umkhize uthi amajima afana nommatshi wanamhlanje aqhakathekile ekukhamseleleni imisebenzi nobujamo obungcono abasebenzi kufuze basebenze ngaphasi kwabo.
One of the things that we are raising is that there are companies that have been exposed that have not been contributing the monies of workers to pension funds. We are making a call that those companies, that must be declared as a crime, fraud and corruption. Those companies must face consequences.
eKapa ikhosati inikele ngencwadi yenilile ebandleni lesiphethamthetho seJingalanga Kapa. Ikhosati ithi Gmail ngilokuphakamisa imiraro yezomnotho ekhambisana nokungalingani nomtlhago. Unobhala zombelele weFedusa uRifda Ajam uthamasola Africa athwele nzima ngendaba yokuhlokeka kwemisebenzi, ukubandlululana ngokobulili emsebenzini nokungatholakali kwezenzelo eziqhakathekileko.
Unemployment continues and workers are being retrenched at an alarming rate. Currently looking at the unemployment figures, we are also here to demonstrate our absolute objection towards the alarmingly high cost of living.
Isakhawe Free State imatshele Bloemfontein ifuna imiholo engcono nobujamo obungcono bokusebenza. Abanye abasebenzi batsho bayasebenza ukusebenza khona kodwa nabanawo amakontrakt okuqatshwa. Baba wekomishini yamalungelo obuntu waningenelele.
We will also address the issue of discriminatory tendencies that are being imposed amongst workers, which will divide workers. We need to address the issue of racism in this establishment with the institutions like your Human Rights Commission.
eGauteng ikhosati labe imatsha khona ithe inkampani ezidlulise ngaphasi kweJohannesburg Stock Exchange zizenzela inzuzo eningi ngamandla wabasebenzi ukube bona bafumana ilize lakulize. Amakhulukhulu amalunga wekhosati ekubalwa abavela ekorweni yezemmayini ukukhiciza nokuthengisa bonke njalo bathi kwanje sikhona kuvelitla. Incwadi bayethule eJSE.
Izakhamuzi zeTshwane ezihlala emhlahlaneni zithi zifuna bona umeyara omutsha ozako azibekelele phambili imfuno zazo. Balila ngezenzelwa ukuhlokeka kwemisebenzi kunye nokuhlokeka kwamathuba wetuthuko eTshwane. Bathi sebathembele kumeyara omutsha ozako. iTshwane inendawo ezemhlahlana ezingaphezulu kwamakhulu amabili.
Ngaphambi kwamalanga amabili wokuthi kukhethwe umeyara omutsha weTshwane, iANC yeTshwane ithe izokusebenza nanyana ngubani abaholi bayo abaphezulu abamsekelayo.
Well, since there are talks with almost all these political parties, anything is possible. We might end up having a mayoral candidate coming from a party either than the ANC itself. So that cannot be ruled out, of course. But we are learning that there are talks between the ANC and the DA at national level. So anything that the ANC will provide as a guideline to ourselves, it will be taken as such. Because remember, as I've indicated before, that the most critical character of the ANC, that of democratic centralism, will kick in.
Njengombana woke amehla linde bona ngubano yokuthatha isikhundla semeyara, umjaphethe kameyara eTshwane uDr Nasiphi Moya, ongumkhethani wesikhundlesi weAction SA, uthi akanalithi elithusako njengombana izenzelwa zabantu zingakhange ziphazamiseke solokhutsho umeyara walokho uSilas Brink.
I think that's one commitment that I've made since the motion of no confidence, that service delivery will continue without interruption. The officials have been on top of their game in making sure that we implement the plans of the city that were approved.
Nanyana uDr Moya angahla sifumani isikhundla sokuba ngumeyara olandelako weTshwane, abantu abahlala endaweni zemhlahlane eTshwane bathi bebazizwa ingasuthi uBrink ubalibele, bafuna umeyara omutsha ababekelele phambili.
Sicela nje sinenkinga yezindlela, sinenkinga yamanzi, sinenkinga yogezi, ama-transformer amadala sicela ukuthi bazosentshela wona.
Re ikgopela ngore after us no tsena atle o tlo kwa dillo tsa badudi a re nyaka motho o nna ka moara office ra o kgetha o nna ka moara office o feel comfortable a o sana taba le batho because of bo khethile re nyaka motho o tlo utlwa dillo tsa badudi.
Kusemhlahlaneni efana nale lapho izenzelwa zihlogeka khona khulu, abantu balapha bathi abaholi bezepolitiki eTshwane bangabakhumbuli kwaphela ngesikhathi samakhetho.
Sithanda ukubetha isandla phezulu kwesinye namhlanje ngokuthi siyapalelwa kuveza imbono kunye nemlayezo ithumele ekhasini lethu leFacebook namhlanje. Imtshini esiyisebenzisako icharagene. Nokho ke nikadinwa nangomusa nasithi nithumele imbono. Nasibuya entolo. Usazi njengomana sazi yena isiZulu Gavenda unjalo nje wazi neninanazelo zembongo zamaZulu uthi akube njalo nakabanye. Ubukele indaba zesindebele ku SABC 1 nawusanda ukufika siyakwamkela nawe nazikuphunduleka indaba eziwu uyazifumana ku YouTube, ku Facebook na ku SABC Plus. Asirage nazo. Umphakathi wakamHokong ngaphandle kwepolokwane eLimpopo usararekile ngeva kobana umfundi ka grade 12 azibulele ngempela veke esibuya kiyo le. Ngokuya kwembiko uJoseph Mayimela weminyaka ema-20 ubudala uzibulele ngemva kokuthi batsho uyatheliswa esikolweni iKhabo Secondary School. Umfundi lo uchiye umhlolo lapho atsho khona bona kunabanye abotitshera bamthelisako esikolweni.
Ukubhubha kwaJoseph Mayimela uchiye abantu abaningi endaweni esemakhaya bathukiwe kuzokala bona bekatheliswa esikolweni. Abafundi bekafunda nabo bakholwa ekutheni isehlakalo samva nje sokutheliswa ngokuthi report yakhe ivezwe etshatshalezini ngenzeka ngikho kumenze athathe isiqondo esifana nalesi. Abaphathi besikole bathi uMayimela bekadosa budisi ngezinye imfundo. Abafundi kunye nabangani bakhe nanje basathukiwe bathi bebanande babona nakatheliswa esikolweni.
Ino bajela jore nabaphela bamthaba ka Montju bangusha. Montju ababolela ngamangona ba no re gota marang re no gona go talla ya le ba batho re tshwana. Maybe yena a sa gona o ding go gotalla letse kana singa ba open go ntwiso Cambodia.
Ngere bare ma teacher ke batswadi ba rena ba mo sekolo mara if ke batswadi ba rena ba mo sekolo ona motswadi ga botsa ngwana e mentša mos I'm a bit or
Umndeni uthi Mayimela uthoma ukutshengisa amathwayo ukugandeleleka emfundweni mhlapha nje abanye abafundi bawubikela umndeni bona uMayimela bekatheliswa ngabanye abotitshera.
Barutishe ba ileng gore ba motswena sekolong ba mobula ebile ba parade le report ya publicly itsaga ke bana ba sekolo ba mmotsa ga le stupid a le selfish a le stubborn a ka tswila passage. So re tshwenegile kudu Joseph ba ise ngwana le shata motho wa thompho wa rata sekolo.
uMayimela uhlathulwe njengomuntu bekathulile kodwa azibothelele.
Joseph anele ngwana mo right o sarata mashata o sarata bolela o ka morasetša hale a itswa ka ga ya sepela na ka sarabishanelwe.
Ingikhulu zefundo ziyaphenya nakusenjalo umndeni uyaraga namulungiselelo womngcwabo.
Ubekwe ekhaya lakhe lokugcina umphathi wezokuthindana kumasipalata wesingi seKangala uDavid Mhletshwa Masombuka. uMasombuka ungcwatshwele emazindleni weSun City hlanu kwaMhlanga eMpumalanga. Abanengi bambuke ngekuthalo bekanayo ekusebenzeleni umphakathi kunye nokutholakala sonke isikhathi ababika indaba nabamhlogako. uMasombuka ubulewe ngesihlungu ngeveke epheleko nabekasuka kwakhe eSun City aya emsebenzini emalahleni eMpumalanga. Umbiki indaba we-SABC uComfort Masombuka usiphathele umbiko.
Abalwa ngenkulungwane abantu abaphumeleleko kuyokubeka ithambo la kwaMasombuka uDavid Mhletshwa Masombuka. Hlangana nabe balapho balwenkhulu ezivele embusweni abosopolitiki abahaji amakhosi namalunga omphakathi. Ikonzo yomngcwabo iphumele ekundleni ezemidlalo eSun City. Umndeni uthi kuwisika yomndeni nakuyinyanga yembulo emamafu njengoba nube mbumbanise emndenini.
My father's time has expired and now our lives as his children has been thrust in a new direction. The task of a son to speak about the father is difficult, especially under these circumstances.
Abanye bamkhumbula ngamagalela benawo emphakathini.
Sibetheke iduma elingophiko ngokuchiwa ngubaba uDavid Masombuka. Bekul comrade lethu ebesilithembe khulu ebelikhuthele khulu luthanda khulu umsebenzalo.
Bekoro yakwaMasombuka bamphekelele ngegwabo ngokwekambiso ekhabo. usomkhandlu wezombuso ohlanganyela nobuholi bendabuko iCOCTA eMpumalanga uSpeedy Mashilo uthi isandla somthetho kufuze siqine kulabo abaqindelisa impilo kaMasombuka ngesihlungu.
Ubulala abantu abakhambako, abantu ababuya ngaphandle. Ayisiphathe kuhle le ndaba. Manje sinethemba ukuthi umthetho uzathatha ingalo yawo. Into yokuthoma labantu ngeke bakwazi ukuthola nebail ngoba babuye lapha ekhaya banandawo yokuhlala, bana-address, wabanika ibail bazobaleka.
uMasombuka uchiye phasini unkosikazi zakhe, amadodana amabili nabentazana ababili. Ikhunjuliwe nendima kaMasombuka emzabalazweni wenkululeko. Kanti-ke abasola abathathu bebabotshwe malungana nokubulawa kwaMasombuka bebavele ekhotho emalahleni ngelesithathu iveke epheleleko. Icala labo lithuliselwe mhla amalanga 11 kuyinyanga lekaSewula. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguKhamfat Masombuka ngikubikela ngise-Sun City kwaNdebele eMpumalanga.
Indoda ethileko yePietermaritzburg engasimzulu izenzele igama enkundleni zokuthindana ngokuqaqada ilimi lesizulu ukudlula isikhabo. Indoda leseyiphenduke undaba ekhulunywako kilabo abakhuluma ilimi lesizulu ngelwazi kunye nangendlela asikhuluma kamnandi ngakhona isizulu begodwa nangendlela azi isiko lakwaZulu ngakhona. uDanny Govender usebenzisa inkundla zokuthindana ukufundisa abantu ukwazi ilimi lesizulu. Unjalo nje ubafundisa nenanazelo zembongo zamaZulu.
Wena wendlovu bayede uZulu kamalandela ngokulandela inkomo zamadoda uZulu omnyama ondlela zimhlophe wena kaphunga nama.
uDanny Govender wazalelwa eThornville ngesikhathi eseneminyaka 4 waqala wafunda ukukhuluma ke ulimi lwesiZulu. Uthi okwenza kube lula kuyena ukufunda isiZulu ukuthi omakhelwane bakhe kanye nabangani babekhuluma lona lolu lwimi.
Umlando lo it's precious. Yabo ake samsuthola lo mlando kulaba abazali bethu laba abakhona laba abakhulile abadala. Nomuntu omdala futhi uyathanda ukunikeza umyalezo. Uzohlala nomkhulu kwenzeke ngesikhathi esize isibongo sasekhaya obani amahlobene nasekhaya zigcinaphi.
uGovender ulandelwa izinkulungwane zabantu emakhasini akhe ezinkundleni zokuxhumana. Uthi ufuna ukubamba iqhaza ukusiza abantu ukuze bayazi imvelaphi yabo.
Sompizi impela uphileke lapho mama. And ijakazelo nezibongo nesizulu nje kahle it's very important. Yeah, very important. Bangimukela impela ku TikTok. Bayacela abanye. Ngeke mangali omunye uyacela uthi ngicela ungithakazela ezalapha. Ngeke mangali but how come ungazazi wena?
uGovender uthi kumqoka kakhulu ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukukhuluma ezinye izilimi ngaphandle kwalezo abazikhuluma uma besemakhaya. uGovender uthi nanoma ubani angafunda noma iluphi ulwimi alithandayo. Uthi ke inhloso yakhe manje ukubhala ke incwadi ezokube equkethe umlando ngemvelaphi yabantu. Mina ke nginguSimphiwe Makhanya, umnguni uqwabe uyeyeye uphakathwayo. Sizothi uGovender kambe ubani?
Ngundlovuke mina uGatsheni uboya benyatho mbongo kazingelwayo onkomo zadle ekhanga ukuswela belusi ithina labo osonga busombuluka.
Sibika sisemgongondlovu.
Dasiphosa ilihlo kezemali iranda liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Njenganje silalamela uSibusiso Sikhosana ehlelweni zibuya nabazumi kuKwekwezi FM. Zihlahla nidosa ngaziphi phambili ngapho?
Siyathokoza Cedric Silotshisa umbukelo khona usekhaya. Hlangana nendaba esiziphetheko ke ngileze bekade zisenzeka namhlanje la ihlanganisela yenhlangano zabasebenzi khosathu bekade imacha inarha le yonke la balwisana khona ukuthi abantu baphelelwa umsebenzi indleko zokuphila ziphezulu. Ngale kwalokho kubikwa ukuthi batsho kunomfundi ozivuleleko esinye senkolo esifundeni seLimpopo. Umfundi lo kuvela ukuthi batsho bekade atheliswa. Okubuhlungu ke batsho ke bekade atheliswa sengitsho nangabo titchere la esikolweni la yena afunda khona. Sizokuyana lapha ke esifundeni sePumalanga Kapa sizwile ke namhlanje ekseni ukuthi kunabanye ke kodwa abantu abavuleweko ngaphandle kwabalaba bangeveke epheleleko. Ngizo-ke indaba esiziphetheko khona lapha kuKwekwezi FM ukuthoma ngo-6 o'clock bekuyokubetha i-hour lekhomba. Sithokoze ithuba.
Thokozile Sihlahla lotshani ngomvulo entambama sekucalela ubujamo bezulu nakhe amathuba alinganiselwa ku-30% ngejingalanga yenarha kanti-ke lokhuya zinkomba zokuthi kunekunga abantu batsheje bayelele kanti-ke ayi-30% kodwa epumalanga yenarha kuthi lapha endaweni yabo East London atholakale nge-60% amathuba wezulu. Kusasa-ke abuyela kukhulu-ke ngapha ngehlangothini langepumalanga nge-30% kodwa ukuthoma kilezi ndawo emkhawulweni walapha-ke epumalanga Kapa kanti-ke sithole lapha isilemukiso ngobusuku ukuthi kunomoya amandla hle ngale ngesewula nenarha abantu batsheje bayelele khulukhulu elwandle kanti-ke lesi silemukiso somlilo wemango e-Upington nalapha endaweni yangephulukwane sizokuchitela ukwazi ukubona ukuthi anjani amazinga okutshisa. Sithoma ngapha ngeGauteng libonakala lifuthumele kamnandi hle khulukhulu lapha ePitori neCarltonville nge-29 iSprings neJohannesburg nge-27 iLimpopo ibonakala-ke ifuthumele nayo endaweni eziningi iliphalale iyatshisa hle nge-32 iphalaburwa nge-30 ngezinye indawo kufuthumele isifunda sangale ngempumalanga sibonakala sipholile lapha eMashishini sipholile kezinye indawo sifuthumele hle khulukhulu esikhukhuza ngapho kube Middelburg Malahleni 26 nange-27 nabo mhlanga njalo iKwaZulu Natal ibonakala ipholile endaweni eziningi Pietermaritzburg bangathi-ke yona-ke pheze ifuna uba makhazana imini yokana sokucala lapha-ke e-Eastern Cape ukuthi khona kunjani kuyatshisa endaweni eziningi lapha emakhanda kupholile neCongce nge-23 lapha-ke eTjingalanga Kapa iCape Town ifuthumele nge-24 ukuthi lapha eMossel Bay kupholile nge-21 iBeaufort West iyatshisa nge-31 nalapha-ke eFredendal kufuthumele nge-28 iNorthern Cape ibonakala-ke yona ifuthumele lapha eSpringbok i-Upington iyatshisa liyababa nge-35 ukuthi iKuruman nge-32 neKimberley neCarnarvon nge-33 siyalapha-ke eFreystata libonakala litshisa iVelcom Sasolburg ifuthumele nalapha-ke eKroonstad nge-29 iBothaville iyatshisa nge-31 ngokugcina siyalapha esifundeni sange-Northwest Tosca iyatshisa iMahikeng iyatshisa nge-31 iRustenburg nge-32 endaweni eziningi ngesifundeni sangale nge-Northwest kuyatshisa hle asibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako. Dido